Let's start a series of one of the most important topics in chemistry, that is chemical bonding. When we talk about bonding, it means we're talking about something that is joining with the other via certain attractive forces. The same is true for chemical bonding, but it is the joining of atoms or molecules. When the atoms or molecules are joined by certain attractive forces, they are stable, and these attractive forces are called chemical bonds. The chemical bond has certain characteristics. It is a very strong chemical force, and when the atoms are joined via chemical bonds, they are stable and they produce molecules or ions which are also the stable ones. For example, in the water molecule, the straight line is a very strong chemical bond. Now, the question is why we need a chemical bond? As far as matter is concerned, it is anything that has mass and occupies the space. In this universe, there are two types of matters. The biological matter include plants, animals, and all the living creatures, while the physical matter includes salts, food, rocks, water, and all the non-living things in this universe. When we look on biological and physical matter, it is very complex, but these components like plants, animals, salts, food, rocks, water, these are very stable ones. These all are made of atoms. Atom is the smallest particle of matter that cannot exist independently. But atom is making biological and physical matter, and these are the stable. It means atom is not an individual entity, but it is making certain bonds with the other atoms, and that result the stable species. How the atoms get stability? They get stability by lowering their energy. How they lower the energy? When the atoms complete their octet or duplet, they get the noble gas electronic configuration. And we know that noble gases are least reactive, or we can say that these are the non-reactive atoms in the periodic table. So when the atoms complete the octet, having 8 electrons in the valence shell, or duplet, having 2 electrons in the valence shell, they have noble gas electronic configuration. And when they get noble gas electronic configuration, they are regarded as stable. But this concept has certain limitations. Certain molecules, after utilizing all of their atoms in chemical bonding, still deficient in electrons. They do not have their octet or duplet completed, especially they do not have their octet completed. Therefore, this concept though exists, but it is limited. And in a broader sense, we can say that atoms make bonds in order to get stability, and they get stability when they lower their energy. How do chemical bonds form? There are 4 kinds of chemical bond formation: ionic bonds, covalent bond, coordinate covalent bond, and dialectic bonds. In the coming lectures, we will talk about all of these, and in the next lecture, we are going to discuss ionic bond in detail. Thanks for watching.